I think I'm weird and silly, kind of weird. But, because you didn't know, if you're watching this on a different year, different day, if you're watching this on a different day, different month, different year, different life, it is. Did someone call me my name? No? Okay. Because my mom's right up there sleeping. She's just sleeping. And the cat, she's just like in the kitchen because my cat scratched my sister's. Nana, does your scratchy feel better? Okay. What do you do? What did you do? We're going to do something. Well, because you didn't know, it is Friday, December, hold on.
Is today the 14th? Yeah. There is a 14th?
Okay, it is December, so it's Friday, December 14th, 2018. I'm going over my squishy collection. I'll show you all my squishies. In 3, 2, 1, here they are. Now, I got all my squishy lines up. We're just going to start with this. I got this one. It's a seal. It's like, all like, it's all like, I don't know, it's all like weird. It's a little hard, because I've had it for a while. If you can hear it, it makes this little like puff sound. If you don't hear that, I don't know. And then I'm saving my favorites for last. This is my favorite. This is my second favorite. This is my third favorite, and I have no other favorites. So this one was first. Then we got this one. It's basically a husky. Yeah, I don't have too much light. And I got this broken head. It's a body with no head. It's supposed to be like a puppy dog. It smells like it smells like heaven. Look how fluffy this is. If I do this, it's not even breaking. See? Whoa, it's not breaking. It's my. And then, like, on the white, it smells like coconut. And then on the, like, brownish package, it smells like peanut butter. It's super squishy. Then we got this one. It's a unicorn. It's old. Kids, you don't know. You know those paints that you like have in this container. I use this because I know paint squishies. And I used this on this one, and it wrecked it. So that's why it's probably all crusty inside. No way fixing this. Sorry, Mia, if you're watching. That was her squishy. I guess he didn't know it's pretend that didn't happen. And then we got this. Mia wanted me to bring the squishy that I painted. So I did this. It's a piece of cake. These are just strawberries, so it runs a pizza. And then you get a heart with Mia on it. And my last favorite is this one. It's a unicorn. It's very squishy. It smells like
No.
it smells like pretty nice. It smells like perfume. You saw that I put start doing raspberries at me, Missy. Hey, what are you doing? You going to play with your toys? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can smell this all day. And my second favorite is this one. Like, if you were here right now, this would, like, melt in your hands. But, you know, when you squish it, it, like, it's like Pac-Man. Anyway, if you're wondering, Pac-Man is not my favorite game. The Sims 4 and Roblox are my favorite games. Smells. It smells like. What does it smell like? It smells like. Let's see. What does it smell like? What does it smell like? Not that good. I've got my bread, of course. This is why I love it so much, because it smells like. Actually, I don't want to do that. I like the regular smell. You know, like if you don't do this, you get like those big popcorn tins for Christmas, and it has like the caramel popcorn, the regular popcorn, the cheesy popcorn. This smells like the caramel popcorn. If you like the caramel popcorn, raise your hand, because I love it. I also like the cheesy popcorn, like the regular popcorn. I don't really like that, but it smells like. Now I just gotta say. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys loved it. I love you all so much. And make sure that you are super fan. Bye-bye. Make sure to subscribe. Hit the like button. Comment down below if you love squishies. Bye-bye.